Here comes the party. Nice dual Mustangs over here. I want to zoom in on this one. Little GT. 289 under the hood. I love this fastback. Again, also 289, very clean. There we go. Nice little Corolla. 980. Followed by another Corolla wagon. Bone stock. Look at that. You gotta check these out. Regular music, so we get to check some stuff out on video. Nice little Cutlass, little 350 under the hood. I like the way it's dressed. It's a pretty little 68. Did a nice job on it. Little Dodge Demon. 340 under the hood. 72 with the 4-barrel, 4-speed 4-barrel. Nice little 27T. Let me see if I get a shot of it. Doesn't really show up here. Shoot. I like this T. I like the way he dropped it so low. I love what he did to the wheels. That's a Metal Flake black, by the way. Let's check out some more. Love this little dub. Oh, it's interesting. That's actually paint. Can you imagine getting your body just perfect and then painting it like this? But you have to admit, it does look cool. Beautiful 55, cruising past. The Ferrari Testarossa, the Corvettes. Oof. Got a lot of Corvettes here, including, of course, the C8. I like that with the Testarossa next to it. Beautiful little fleetback Chevy. I'm gonna try to get some different angles here. This is 50, somewhere around there. 49.50. There we are.
You just bought one.
This is a beautiful Dodge 500. Convertible too. Oh, look at that upholstery. Is that wild? Full-time power steering. Now I gotta check this out. Electric windows. Wow, this thing is full boat. Of course, custom Royal. If I'm not mistaken, 55. Gotta show you one thing here. Look on the dash, on the glove box there. I'm gonna try to zoom in. See the horsepower? That's so you don't forget when you hit the loud pedal. Let's check out some more. Here come the Cobras. Here come the Cobras. It's a nice enough day to be able to drive them. Not one. Not two. but 4.